So when this action happened, the immediate cause was poor planning.
जी सर सैम्यूल.
There was no cable management, no inspection, poor management, no updated risk assessment management, poor inspection record. Right?
Right. Right, sir.
Risk control, immediate cause के poor maintained housekeeping, cable repair, inspection for starting. Right? Underlying cause, make the changes in the system, improve the competency of the safety officer and the inspection engineer. Right?
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
So reminder, all the dangerous conditions must be dealt immediately after the incident, attend to the victim, notify the all those things, and then underlying causes, prioritization data, process update, inspection record update, safety officer priority high, time scale 1 month, responsible safety officer, electrical engineer, cable replacement, operation manager, shop floor manager. So you have to give this kind of recommendation and improve it. Yeah. So reporting is required for internal and external incident report. Internal में director, nearby human resource, health and safety worker. External में family of the external authorities, public insurance companies, right? Action report में सब होगा ना, name, address, date of time, location, detail of injury, detail of treatment given, number of events, witness name, signatures, right? There are some incidents that, so wherever there is a fatality or physical damage or property damage, you have to report it to any high potential incident, they have to be reported to authorities. Yeah. So what is important? You have to analyze. So this way you will come to know the study. You will know what can be done and what to be done. Right? Why is audit required? Audit is required is an extent that level compliance. See, if you have a good audit, there are two types of audit, internal and external. And it can be systematic, independent. It's a documented process. And as per the clause, everything has to be documented and audit criteria has to be met. Okay? So there are 11 points of criteria. Those 11 points audit will be applied. Okay? Can anybody tell what is the difference between audit and inspection? What is the difference between audit and inspection, sir? Audit is detail, inspection is particular to a task. Audit is complete process, documentation, evidence. Inspection is documentation, but more with a checklist. Inspection is part of audit, but audit is not part of checklist. Inspection. Okay? You see, interview workers verified. In inspection, you do not interview. You just quickly. It is costly. It is not costly. It is long. It is short. It is basic. It is part of an audit, but it's not a part of an audit. Inspection. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of external and internal audit? Hello?
Sir? Yes, sir.
What are the disadvantages and disadvantages of internal audit? Nobody has capacity to talk now? It depends upon your process. Okay? External audit, annual internal audit. सुनो तो इंटरनल ऑडिट cheaper होती है, एक्सटर्नल ऑडिट एक्सपेंसिव होती है. Internal audit can influence external audit. External audit can influence, internal audit cannot influence. It will only get the facts. External audit will get more details because they are fresh. Internal audit chalta hai. It's more time consuming, less time. It has more exposure, more, because external audit के पास ज़्यादा knowledge होता है, ज़्यादा companies देखते हैं ना. So may not, but external audit may not understand the business because he doesn't know in and out of your system, right? But internal auditor will know everything about the business, so he can improve it more. External auditors' recommendations have more weightage than the internal auditors. They can scare people and labors. Internal auditor will be different. Auditors are always updated. Internal auditor might be updated, not. So before the audit, you should plan scope, area, what will be auditing, what are the documentation required, auditor comment, time and resources. So when you go for audit, you should have a time. What is your scope? And what will be your area of audit? Who will be audited? Who will be presented? What documents? Everything should be available. This is pre-audit. And auditor should have paperwork, interviews and questions. So always records, okay? Observe their behaviors, observe their activities, and gather as much as information. Then analyze in terms of this health safety policy, surveillance record, statutory procedure, maintenance, discipline, training. Yeah. At the end of the external audit, auditor should sit with the team and give the feedback. Then report the findings, recommendations, and priorities with a time scale. Responsible audit is like it can give to the external authorities, insurance companies, and their reports are reviewed by these people also. So it is a responsible management at all level to ensure recommended for improvements are communicated and implemented. But external audit, when they give the comments, they need to be in here. If there's a major no interest to be immediate, none, there'll be a time during mostly 1 day or 1 week. Yeah. Any failure of non-compliance. Why should an health and safety performance should be reviewed?
For continuous improvement.
Right. To evaluate what is being done. If any incident, it needs to be reviewed so that it does not happen again. Review the source of data and information. Update the systems. And benchmark so that it's a gradual. What is PDCA? Plan, Develop, Check, Act. You have to continuous improvement, right?
Plan, do, check, and act.
Yep. What measurements of health and safety performance should be included in annual review? So you should consider legal documents, accidents, incident records, trainings, surveys, health records, quality reports, audit reports, monitoring reports, external communication and plans, achievements and objectives, legal and best practice.
The policy will also be part of the audit.
Who?
Policy.
No. Policy will not be. Policy will be is the part of audit. The first auditor will ask you the safety policy.
Okay.
First document. Now we are talking about the management review.
Sure.
So management review, legal register, accident incident records, surveys, sickness report, health reports, audit reports, internal external records, consultation records, achievements and objective, best practice. So output from the review is management means circulated record, maintain actions, close out. Continual improvement for So once you have a continual implement, actions taken as a result to improve, board senior managers set targets as a result of review and amend policy. Middle managers review performance, set targets for the junior manager review local performance, set target for it. So everybody has a roles and responsibility and they have to follow it as per the, and the performance needs to be reviewed. KPIs to be set and performance to be reviewed as per the set KPIs. Okay? That's it. Any questions?
No, sir.
Prepare a risk assessment and send it on the WhatsApp. Risk assessment permit. An audit report.
No, sir.
जब आपका मूड करे करो, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए मंडे के पहले.
What, sir? Sure, sir. We will share, inshallah. Will it be on Word or Excel or?
सर क्या आपका प्रिपेयर करिएगा एक दफा? Homework.
So should it be on Word or Excel or just written in the?
I need sample risk assessment. Oh, that's your, not mine. Meta statement, PTW, audit report. Prepare. What is the internal and external audit? Okay.
No, sir. You want to prepare a case sheet or what you want, sir? You will give a
Sample. I want an audit report, how it will be looking.
You want a sample of PTW?
Yeah.
Audit report?
Fill. And I want you to prepare a risk assessment for warehouse.
So I couldn't get you, Sir Samuel. Can you please? You want a sample forms of PTW followed
Come
by.
back to the team chat. Come back. Can't hear you, sir.
So you are distorted.
Okay.
So you are not audible to us.
Come to team chat.
So you're writing on chat or
On the chat.
I have not seen
WhatsApp chat.
No, team chat. Here in
Zoom
the
page.
WhatsApp chat.
Zoom page.
Zoom.
Yes. Can you repeat the question because I am coming now?
Kindly prepare risk assessment for warehouse. What is the internal external audit?
So Samuel, please write it down the question. It is not.
भाई मैंने लिखा हूँ. ना आप लोगों को नहीं भेज रहा हूँ मैं.
Repeat the same questions. तो सर ने चैट में सेट नहीं की. सर ने चैट में सेट नहीं की. इसलिए मैंने चैट में सेट नहीं करी थी. सर
Thank you guys.